What if you could build complete business software just by describing what you want? In this video, I'll build two real-world applications with Verdant AI. First, a team management dashboard where you can organize employees, assign tasks, and track progress in one place. Then, a fully functional online cosmetics store with product pages, a shopping cart, secure checkout, and an admin panel to manage the entire business. Let's see how Verdant AI makes it happen.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Eisen Tools. In today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at a platform that is designed to make your work faster and more efficient, especially if you create content, manage projects, or use AI in your daily workflow. So I'll show you the main features, how to use them, and what kind of results you can expect.
I want to build something every business needs, a team management dashboard. Normally, this would mean using multiple tools or hiring a developer to build a custom system. It would take time, planning, and money. But with Verdant AI, I just describe what I want: employee profiles, project tracking, task status, performance metrics, and a clean, modern dashboard. Before generating, I can also activate taste mode, which helps Verdant understand the style and quality I'm looking for. Instead of creating something generic, it adapts the design and user experience to match my preferences from the start. And instantly, Verdant starts working. And now, with the new manager, I can actually see how the work is being coordinated. The manager oversees the entire project, delegates tasks to specialized agents, tracks progress, and makes sure every part of the application comes together correctly. While one process is generating the UI layout, another is building the backend logic. At the same time, other tasks are structuring the database, creating dashboard components, and organizing the project architecture. Everything is happening at once. It feels less like waiting for software to be built and more like watching a full development team working in sync. Another powerful addition is skills. Skills allow Verdant to extend its capabilities and perform specialized tasks whenever they're needed. Whether it's handling specific workflows, processing data, or integrating custom functionality, the right skill can be brought into the project automatically. And after a short moment, the first application is ready. We now have a complete team dashboard, employee tracking, project status, performance charts, and a clean interface that actually feels production ready. And the best part is, this isn't locked or static. If I want changes, I just keep talking to Verdant and it continues improving the system like an ongoing developer. With taste mode guiding the design, the manager coordinating the work, and skills expanding what the platform can do, Verdant feels less like a coding tool and more like an AI-powered development studio. Now let's push it further. For the second demo, I want something more complex. An e-commerce SaaS platform. Not just a store, but a full system with products, customers, orders, and an admin panel. This time, I describe a storefront where users can browse products, view details, add items to cart, and place orders. On the admin side, I want product management, inventory tracking, and order control. Again, Verdant doesn't just generate code. It starts by breaking everything into structured components. Front-end pages, back-end services, product database, user flows, admin dashboard, authentication system. You can actually see the project being assembled piece by piece all at the same time, instead of waiting for one feature to finish before the next begins. That's what makes it feel powerful. It's not just generating an app, it's orchestrating the entire build process. After the build completes, we get a fully working e-commerce platform, a clean storefront, smooth product browsing, a functional cart system, and an admin panel that lets us control everything behind the scenes. What normally would take days or even weeks of development is now created through a conversation. And this is the real value of Verdant AI. It removes the gap between idea and execution, and an admin panel that lets us control everything behind the scenes. Inside the admin panel, everything is organized in one place. We can add new cosmetic products, create categories, manage inventory, and update prices without touching any code. With the store finished, there's only one thing left to do: put it online. Instead of spending time setting up servers or configuring everything manually, I can deploy it in just a few clicks using Vercel. I connect the project, hit deploy, and Vercel automatically builds the application, publishes it to the web, and gives me a live URL that anyone can visit. In just a couple of minutes, the store goes from an idea inside Verdant AI to a real, fully accessible website. And that's one of the best parts of this workflow. Building the application is fast, and getting it live is just as simple. From concept to a working online store, the entire process feels incredibly smooth. Whether you're building internal tools, dashboards, SaaS products, automation systems, or full online businesses, Verdant lets you go from concept to working software incredibly fast. Beyond parallel task execution, it also helps structure projects intelligently, manage complex workflows, and continuously refine applications as your needs evolve. So instead of rebuilding everything from scratch every time something changes, you just update your idea, and Verdant updates the product.